Good morning, student. Today we will start the chapter lines and angles. First we will talk about line. What is lines? We will learn some basic concept of the lines. First is point. If we say what is point? Point is simply to locate some place. We say that it is point. This means that geometry starts with point. Geometry, we can say that geometry starts with a point. Look here. This point, it neither has any dimension, it is dimensionless. We can say that which is dimensionless. This means that a point will do not have any length, breadth or height. A point has no length, no breadth and no height. Now, if we place a point here, we have to name them. Which point are there? If we place a point here, we have to name them. For naming, it is denoted by capital letter. It may be any number letter A, B, X or Z, etc. We can take any number. The line point geometry starts with a point which is dimensionless. This means that it will do not have length, breadth and height. It is denoted by capital letter A, B, X, Y, Z. We can take any number A, B, C, D, E, F, but it should be in capital. Now, after this, we will talk about the second point, which is second line segment. What is line segment? Look here. This is a point. We can name this point A. This is a point. We can name them point B. Look here. A straight route from this point to this point. So what we can say? A straight route from point A to another point B. Now, it is denoted as AB. And one more thing, it has two fixed endpoints. This means that this point will not extend here and this point will not extend here. If we extend these point, we will give this another name. It has two fixed end point. Or we can say it has two end point. Now, next is third is ray. Now, what is ray? If we take any point A, from here a straight line, it goes on continuously. It will not stop, it goes on continuously till infinity. This is ray. From a point, or we can say this is a line segment. From a line segment from a line segment, a point is produced in a straight path to infinity is called a ray. We can name it B. So it is denoted by like this AB. It will goes on. This sign represent it goes on to infinity. This is ray. Now we will talk about fourth point, which is line segment. Line segment we have studied. We will talk about line. What is line? This is line segment. When we produce this line from both the ends, it becomes line. This means that a line segment produced from both ends, it is a line. It become a line. We can say it is a line. A line segment produced from both ends, it is a line in a straight path. Again, in a straight path, it is denoted as AB like this. Now, many of time you heard about collinear points. What are collinear points? Collinear points are those points which are this is A, this is B, and if we place a point on a number line, on the same number line, then these points will be collinear. It may be C, it may be next point will be D. This means that these points will be collinear point. When two or more points or three or more points on the same number line, then these points will called collinear point. But we will call it collinear point. Now, this is what we basics of lines. Now we will talk about angles. First we will talk about the definition of angle. What is angle and how it is formed? Look here. When these two rays meet, it form a angle. This is a angle. We can name this A, B, and C. When these two rays meet at a point, then the angle will form. When two rays meet at a point, and angle is formed. An angle is formed. When two rays meet at a point, an angle is formed. Now, these two are called arms. AP and AC are the arms, or we can say that we call these arms. And where these arms meet at a point, it is called vertex. It is called vertex. Where two rays meet or two arms meet, it will called vertex. This is vertex. This point will be vertex. Now, first we will talk about acute angle. What is acute angle? Angle which is more than 0 or greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. Those angles are called acute angle. acute angle. Angles, acute angle. Now angles which are greater than 0 but less than 90 degree are called acute angles. Example: 10 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 89 degree, so on. ठीक है, ऐसे etc. आप you can write etc. These type of angles. Angle which are greater than 0 and but less than 90 degree are called acute angle. Now, after this, we will talk about second is right angle. What is right angle? Angle which is 90 degree is called right angle. Angle, only one angle which is 90 degree, which is of 90 degree is called right angle. It's called right angle. Now, third is obtuse angle. Now we will talk about obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree are called obtuse angle. For example, you can take 95 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree. So angle which are greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree are called obtuse angle. Example: 95 degree, 100 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree, like this. Clear? Now we will talk about, after this we will talk about straight line. Or straight angle, straight line. Or the angle which is 180 degree is called straight angle or straight line. Angle formed on a straight line is called 180 degree. Is called of 180 degree. After this, reflex angle. Look here, like this. This portion is reflex, and this is whole called reflex angle. This means that angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, angles greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree are called reflex angle. Example: you can take 220, 300, etc. degree, etc. You can take any of these angles which are between 180 and 360, greater than. Now, after this, complete angle. What is complete angle? Complete angle is of 360 degree. Any angle which is of 360 degree is called a complete angle. Angle of 360 degree is called complete angle. Simply it will be one angle, it will be called complete angle. The angle which will form 360 degree, it will be a complete angle. Now, this is the basic of lines and angles. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.